The schemes that we are presenting today start with Icon City, the major project that we've announced on Sheikh Zayed Road and Dubai Canal overlooking the Safa Park. We are introducing today investments in a managed real estate scheme, so you can invest hassle-free, headache-free, and you get your returns every year. So an investment in a hotel room. And we are also introducing in this project the residential portion, so you can buy to live or invest in a residential apartment. In addition to this, we are introducing our new villas designed for the millennials in Akoya Oxygen. They are a 3-bedroom villa, colorful villa, with also a millennial price, which is a 1 million dirham, paid over 3 years in the international Gulf community of Akoya Oxygen. We are close in the next 6 to 8 months to deliver the project that we have in Riyadh, in the Saudi capital, and the project of hotel apartments that we have in Doha. Our London scheme is progressing, and we've announced last month the award of the construction contract of the project, which is a major milestone in a 50-story tower in the London capital, which will be one of the top 10 high-rises in Zone 1 in London. And sales are also progressing on the project. We see continued interest in the project. Also, we have opened a new show flat or a mock-up apartment in the heart of London on Brompton Road in front of Harrods for people to visualize what will be the first in Europe a Versace home apartment. I think from a real estate development perspective, the formula in Dubai is a perfect formula. You have a high-yielding market, a tax-free market, and a government that responds to all the demands of the market. And the big thing was, 2 days ago, the visa on arrival for the Chinese nationals. And the visa on arrival for the Chinese nationals, which is a milestone also in real estate development and tourism. Because today, the Chinese make the biggest portion of overseas investors in real estate in most of the major cities, like London, like Manchester, like New York, like Los Angeles, like Sydney, like Melbourne, like Vancouver. And we can so easily add to them Dubai because the returns in Dubai are higher, we're much closer, and we can respond much better to the demands of any new investor, starting with a visa on arrival. We started our setup in China in August 2015 to promote Dubai and to promote Damak, and now we have setups in Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen. One of the big developers like Damak launching 10 projects this year, worth approximately 13 billion dirhams, and so many other big developers launching a lot of projects. Then I'm sure we can say that the market is healthy, and the demand in the market is healthy, and the prices are stable because the supply and demand are very close to each other, which is a very unique formula for the longevity of a real estate market. I think the market is very good as is today, but again, in a way we're unable to please the media. If the market is stable and supply and demand are equal, then we are saying the market is going down. Then the market starts going up and we start talking about the bubble. I think the market is in a very good situation. The market is stable, and we're going to continue to see this stability this year and next year. I think most of what we are presenting is in the luxury category, because when you present a community and you build in a community an international golf club, you build a lot of community services, and at the same time you present an independent villa with a backyard and a front yard and luxury specs, but reduce the size a little bit so you can present it at a more accessible price. This is what we are presenting.